that and distribute it to our friends and all of us. I actually want a copy of what you... But I think you should give our friends and others, they need to... Much as in the cruel present, facts don't matter, evidence doesn't matter, the truth doesn't matter. What matters is what pleases you on any day, and doesn't matter what facts about others. But and I was saying this because this man made another presentation another time that involved the same people he was talking about. And the next day, from embassies, people came to him, threatening him. Yeah. You know, they even, they are so foolishly brave to just, you know, they went to him. And I think another message went through Foreign Affairs. It's like this man who is saying this, and he was not saying it is not true, but he was saying no for daring to say it, even if it is the truth. Yes, they threatened him, and they even started threatening he will not get a visa to travel to some places, face to face, like that. Somebody from the embassy threatening our minister. Of course, I can't blame them that, given this history we have had, that from the embassy they even think they are above the minister. Yeah. He just come and say, you dare say this. He wasn't saying, this is contrary to the truth or evidence we have. Why did you present lies? No. He was just saying, whether lies or truth, you shouldn't have said it. That is the cruel present we live in, but we must confront it, and we will. We shall. No question about it. I've also told people that anyway, for us, we are in a sort of not